First, we got the WRX, S6, A3, whew, baby, of course, S3, Lancer, S5. Oh, you guys turning around already?
900
Jeez. All the car lined up. Whew. Okay, my boy Rob.
Yo, ya no vamos.
Hell yeah, we almost out. That shit clean. It's clean. Do you want to race it? How much you pushing? 525. Alright, I'm only pushing 40. I mean 400. Yeah, let's do a Capro. The S3. The S3, yeah. Let's do it. Yeah, definitely. Woo. Thing's crazy. Hey, wild, man.
What do you think about the rally so far?
Hey, we might be the slowest car here. No cap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Vince.
Vamos a coger la ruta como para...
Yo, my boy just came in. It's a boy. Yo, that thing's sick. Just joined us. Lit. Jeez. That S6 twin turbo V8, that's crazy. Where are the other boys? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Go ahead. Saw the mini rally. It was fun. It was fun. We definitely had some nice cars, some fast cars, and Rob S6 twin turbo V8. He definitely got me. You know, it's a duh. But yeah, it was nice going up against his car, and definitely a challenge. Shout out to my boy Rob, and shout out to my boy Vince also for inviting me to the rally. And yeah, what's good, Kevin?
Yo, what was your favorite car in the rally?
It was definitely the M4. I think I'm in love with it.
You stole my option. For sure, the M4. It was all stock and it looked like a masterpiece. It looked like a dime.
It was good. But look at these though.
Look at this one.
the SQ5. We definitely doing a review on this thing, so make sure you guys don't miss the next upload. It's gonna be about this thing, and yeah, definitely nice.
Guys, leave a like, leave a comment, leave everything.
We're here at the last meet, but look at this thing, air it out. That's my boy Robert, that's my boy Jeremy, myself, Jordan, and I don't know, people just making noise. GTI looking good. People looking alright. It's the eye gang pulling up. Sitting nice, looking good. That Genesis though.
So I had to get a bigger fuel pump and I got a smaller pulley.
Yeah.
So it's only running 5 pounds of boost right now.
5 pounds.
It's not
God
even
damn.
working. The blower's not even working.
It's not even doing anything.
It doesn't
then.
boost to like $4,000. It's just driving
Yeah.
on motor. So once I put the smaller pulley on and get a heat fuel,
Wow.
Is that all you do?
Thing is nice.
No, I got another
The nicest car I've seen in the meet.
And then I have performance. And then I built a 1,000 horsepower Gapplebees. It's gonna be a
Power wise at least. Look good though. It definitely look good. You may just keep pulling up. Hey, I tell you what, we definitely got a race though.
You mechanic?
Hell yeah, I do my own fucking work.
Yeah.